We got a 2010 Arctic Cat 120. We're going to get ready to do the clutch on it here. You can see down here all these teeth are broke off on that sprocket. And the chain is busted. Actually, I'm not sure if it's busted or if it's I think it might be just let go there. Anyways, 2010 Arctic Cat 120. You got to do a ski on her too. Young fella's rough, but she's in pretty good shape. Just got to do a little bit of love on her, clean her up good for a year. Now, I've never done one of these before, so we're going to see now if this is going to come off easily or if it's going to be a pain in the ass. By my calculations, probably a pain in the ass. The clutch just wants to spin, so the bolt is actually coming out quite easy. Actually, I'm not sure what's on the go here. This whole thing is moving, but the sprocket is staying still. Okay, this is all spinning on the inside. For some reason, the sprocket is staying still. And this whole shaft here and inside here, this whole thing is turning on the inside. I'm not sure why. Like I said, I haven't done one of these before, but we're going to figure it out. Okay, so sizing it up a little bit. So what I done was I took just an old ratchet strap end or whatever, took out the spark plug and just kept stuffing it down inside or whatever. Wasn't real sure if it was going to work or not, but I think it's going to. If I can get it to bind up here, it should. Could help if I went the right way, I guess. The piston is going to come up, catch that, and there we go. It's not stupid if it works. Okay, so there's two washers on here. Looks like this all it is. You gotta be careful because there should be a keyway on this. You don't want to lose the keyway. Oh, looks like that exhaust is in the way. We'll remove this exhaust, I think. Try not to drop them. And there's a spring down right here. That out of the way. This should just come off. Get this chain out of the way is the problem. Okay, so the chain has got to go on over the sprocket before it'll fit in there. So this is going to want to keep spinning over. This is why we got this in here, remember? Well short that these probably got to be torqued to a certain spec, but we're going to go till she's tight. It's good enough. It's pretty good. Get this chain back on. Back of the screw is actually probably going to have to be up in the air. So we'll get that done here now. Try to get a little more light back here to see what's going on. And I think it's going to be a lot easier. Take this little plate off. To take this little guard off, there's one bolt here, one here, and I guess there used to be two on the inside here, two in here. There's none in this one. It might have been riveted, I'm not sure. But one here, take those off. It's going to take this cover off. It's going to enable us to get at this back sprocket. Okay, so now we can get at this a lot easier. So I'm just going to want to come up over the top, bring it around, and there's a little adjuster right here, or a tensioner, sorry. Just push down on your tensioner, get around over the bottom, and she should be good to go. Should be all good. Put this back on. Alright, so this is all good to go. Brake seems to be holding up good. She's just out a little far. I don't know why, but I've never had any problems with it before. These two little nuts for the exhaust. You don't want to be real careful with these, because if you drop them down in the belly of the beast, you're gonna have some fun trying to get them back. Alright, so something I just wanted to point out here. So when I was ordering it or whatever, I didn't really know what to buy. I had to do a pile of measurements and stuff on this. So just looking at the description here now, I'm gonna leave the description or the link in the description there too. But this hole right here, so this is going to be a 3/4 inch shaft, which is 19 millimeters. This way, so from here to here, is going to be 2.16 inches, which is 55 millimeters. And this measurement up through here is 4.2 inches, or 107.1 millimeters. And it's a 10 tooth sprocket and a 420 chain. So that might make it a little simpler for you when you go to order one. And they're like 28 bucks, 29 bucks. So good to go, good and cheap.